Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about Excel and how to use it to identify property owners that are actual people versus companies or entities when your list has all of that combined into the same cell. Typically your software or service providers will want a first name and last name separated into two fields, but companies don't have a first and last name, and you obviously don't want to waste money sending mailers to the city or something saying you want to buy their house or houses. Now, there's no 100% perfect way to do this that I'm aware of without manually going through every single row one by one, which I know many people do. But by combining some formulas and doing a little bit of upfront work, you can save yourself a ton of time doing this. Imagine a list of 500,000 owners, and all you had to do was spot check for errors rather than going through all of them every time. The best part is that it's completely reusable for any future lists you have, and it will get more accurate over time as you spot errors and update it to account for those next time you have to run it. At its core, this formula is basically just searching for specific text in a cell and giving you a result when it finds it. So it has many potential applications outside of what we're going to use it for, and I'd encourage you to try to find other ways to make use of it if you can. So let's get into it. There are 4 formulas that you'll be using all at the same time. I actually use 5. But the last one's just a formatting preference, so I'll explain that later. So let's just go with these for now. And these are what I want to call it. So I might want to have this labeled a trust. I might want this to be called company, association, company, association, company, trust. Okay, so these are just some example labels. And you'll build this up over time as you see additional types of text you want it to find. But we'll start with this for now so you can see how it works. So now I've got my list, and now we can build out the formula. Okay, so here we're going to type out our formula. So we do index and our results right here. So I'm going to do F4 to add these dollar signs in here, and I'll explain why that matters later. Comma, match, true, comma, ISNUMBER, search. And here I want to select the range of values. And again, I'll F4 this. And I don't want to search in A2, which is on the other sheet. I can actually just, if I don't want to type that, I can click here. And it says sheet 1 up there. It doesn't matter. You can delete that if you want because it's on the same sheet. 0. Yep, I just got a parentheses. Okay, so this is how it works. Now, if I drop this down, you can see it found the word trust and gave me trust. It found LLC and it gave me company name. And you can scroll, so it found INC, it gave me company name. TR for trust, LLC, etc. So this will find all of those for you if you know what all those are. Now the last formula, which is if error, it makes it so these are blank instead of NAs. That's just a personal preference. So what you can do there is at the beginning type if error and then comma what you want it to show if there's an error. So if you don't want it to say just $NA, I just do 2 quotation marks saying whatever's between these quotation marks which is nothing, display that. And now it went blank. So you can see it found all of those. Now what you'll want to do is filter. So if you were to do filter and I can sort this A to Z, or actually Z to A. You can say, here's all of the ones it found. So it found a lot. Now what I can do is scan these to see if there's any other pieces of text that I need to account for. So if I look at only these blanks, I can actually just scan. So like right here, I can already see L space P, L space C, foundation, so there's LLC again, foundation, so I'm just going to add some of those in here for now. I'm going to just insert them in here. Foundation, I'm just going to do company, L space C, company. Might as well add a few more in here. L space P. I'm able to do space L space P. In case there's like a last name to first name that's doing that. If I add that extra space in there, it's less likely to be a problem. LLP. I did LTD. I did LTD. LTD. So you just kind of build this up over time, and it will always find these pieces of text in the future. So now I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to drop this down again. Actually, it probably updated automatically. But it should have deleted any of those. So you can see foundation's gone. I still have arm of Save the Family. Chances are you're not going to have a individual that has a first or last name of family, so you could probably add that to your list. Partnership is one I missed. What was that one? Limited liability company. Partnership. So, you know, here's some extra words you can add. I'm actually going to use the word company. Maybe space CO is often abbreviated for company. Family, which is probably a trust. Partnership was the other one I saw. Do company. So the reason I'm inserting these in the middle of this is if I insert rows, it will update my formulas automatically to adjust for those ranges. If you were to put them just down here at the bottom, you'll have to go into your formula again and update the range to be all the way down to row 21 instead of 8 or wherever it was we started. So you can see here, since I inserted that, it's updating this to rows 21 on both of these ranges automatically. So now it should have accounted for these. And this is just something you build up over time, and you'll get better and better every time. So every list you pull now, you'll have this pre-canned list ready to go. You'll have this formula ready to go, and all you're doing is swapping this value, and this value in the formulas, and it will pull all of these out for you. So hopefully that helps you guys. If you have any questions or have any issues with this, please put it down in the comments or reach out to me, and I will see if I can help you.